Hey YouTube, it's Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. To those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Dr. Tess Washington. I'm a board certified physician and surgeon in private practice in Beverly Hills, California. I'm licensed in 6 states, and who knows, I just may be practicing medicine in your state. To my subscribers, I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am so humbled, and I hope I can continue providing you content that you find valuable and tell your friends to come on board. Also, right now I have 47 subscribers, and as a physician starting this new, this is a really big deal. So this evening I am going to write a thank you to each and every one of you. I really appreciate it. On this channel, we provide topics that discuss mainly a healthy beauty combo. I'm an aesthetic physician, however, I do focus on primary care, and I want to keep you beautiful on the inside and the out. We have new, fascinating, exciting material every day, and we just launched a blog, Ask Dr. Tess, at AskDrTess.com. I think that's how you get there. We're just starting it off. And if you have any questions, we have a Ask Dr. Tess segment on this YouTube channel. Leave your question below, and I commit to you that I will answer your question within 24 hours. With all that said, I'm just going to go ahead and close the chapter, Ring Central. Actually, I have positive things to say. Okay, that whole ordeal lasted forever. I think it was like probably, everything started maybe in October, and I think it was like months with an S. And a lot of time on the phone, a lot of back and forth, so many details that I won't even bore you guys with. But what I will say is, as opposed to looking at how difficult of a process you may have gone through, what was the long-term goal? And I wanted to be able to have private video conferences with my patients. Being I'm licensed in so many states, I wanted to be able to talk to people internationally by video. I wanted to have it where on every cell phone or desktop phone, office, my mom's house, my best friends, everywhere, if I called someone, it showed the same number. And the reason that was important to me is because one of my patients said, "Doctor, you have so many numbers, we never know how to get in touch with you." And I took that seriously, and I wanted to fix that. What I will say is, after all the kinks were worked out, it does what it was supposed to do. Faxes are sent, no problem. All the telephone lines connected, text on my phone, book appointments, and they're adding more features. I'm not even using it to its full ability. I will say that, I guess, you know, if you go with the old cliche, anything worth having is a bit of work. Yes, that was wrong, what was done with regards to us having to pay something twice, but I will say, in the defense of that company, I guess they did their job. We're happy with the service. I don't have an affiliate link as of now, but I don't know, I will, because I don't know, I used the product, I endorsed them, and I feel as if any entrepreneur should have a VoIP system. There's this one hospital I worked at, and we had to do transfers, and they had like maybe 5 or 6 different people, and every time somebody called with a transfer, it was Lulu's phone number and Mark's phone number. And I was like, it would be great if all of you guys had one number that showed up whenever I received a phone call from you. So, you know, and since I will be coming to you guys on a daily basis, no need to make these long and drawn out. So we'll just consider this a Ring Central update and a thank you for being a part of my tribe. If there's anything that you want to hear about, leave it in the comment below. Feel free to subscribe. If you want to write on the blog, it's open to any author, askdrtess.com. And thank you for joining. Libido Looks in Life. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Tess of Beverly Hills. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. We post new content daily. Tell us what you want to hear about by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to tell your friends. Please subscribe, share, and like. Join the weekly podcast, the Dr. Tess 90210 Show. The show times are listed on our blog. Stay healthy and beautiful by maintaining your libido, looks, and life.